In the quiet English village of Highbury lives Emma Woodhouse, young, beautiful, clever, and rich. She has everything one could wish for, except a challenge. Emma proudly believes she is an expert at matchmaking, arranging love stories for others while never planning to fall in love herself. After successfully helping her governess, Miss Taylor, marry Mr. Weston, Emma decides to make another match, this time for her new friend, Harriet Smith, a sweet but naive girl. Emma convinces Harriet that she is too good for a humble farmer who truly loves her, and that she should aim for Mr. Elton, the local vicar. But Emma's plan backfires when Mr. Elton shockingly proposes not to Harriet, but to Emma herself. Embarrassed and regretful, Emma realizes her matchmaking talent may not be as perfect as she thought. Meanwhile, two new arrivals stir excitement in Highbury, the charming Frank Churchill and the quiet, elegant Jane Fairfax. Emma becomes fascinated by Frank's flirtatious manners, unaware that he's secretly engaged to Jane all along. Throughout it all, one man sees Emma clearly, Mr. George Knightley, her wise and honest family friend. He often scolds her for her vanity but always does so with care and affection. When Emma cruelly teases Miss Bates at a picnic, Knightley's disappointment opens her eyes. For the first time, she truly sees herself proud, thoughtless, and in need of change. Slowly, Emma grows kinder and humbler. And when Harriet confesses she loves Mr. Knightley, Emma's heart is struck. She realizes she's loved him all along. When Mr. Knightley confesses his feelings, Emma's pride melts away. Love blossoms, not through schemes or status, but through understanding, respect, and honesty. In the end, Emma and Mr. Knightley marry, surrounded by family and friends. The clever matchmaker finally makes her perfect match, not by planning, but by learning to love sincerely. Emma is a story of self-discovery, reminding us that true love begins when we stop trying to control others and start understanding ourselves.